Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, we discuss additive property or reproductive property of chi-square distribution. What is the additive property of chi-square distribution? If we consider chi-square 1, chi-square 2 and so on chi-square k are k independent chi-square variates, then sum of the k independent chi-square variates is also a chi-square variate. That is the additive property of chi-square distribution. Now I am proving the additive property. But I consider the moment generating functions of k independent chi-square variates, for which I consider chi-square 1, chi-square 2 and so on chi-square k are k independent chi-square variates, for which I consider chi-square 1 follows a chi-square distribution with n1 degrees of freedom, and chi-square 2 follows chi-square distribution with n2 degrees of freedom and so on like that. Chi-square k follows a chi-square distribution with nk degrees of freedom respectively. This is what happens here. Chi-square 1 is following a chi-square distribution with n1 degrees of freedom. Chi-square 2 is another chi-square variate with n2 degrees of freedom and so on. Chi-square k is another chi-square variate with nk degrees of freedom respectively. Now I consider the moment generating function of sum of these k independent chi-square variates, which means the moment generating function of chi-square 1 plus chi-square 2 plus and so on plus chi-square k I am considering. That is m chi-square 1 plus chi-square 2 plus chi-square k t. That's what I have considered. It is equivalent to be from the reproductive property of moment generating function mx plus yt is equal to mxt into myt. That is mx1 plus x2 plus xnt is equal to mx1t into mx2t into and so on multiplied by mxnt. That is what the reproductive property of moment generating function. So by using the moment generating function, reproductive property of moment generating function, now we have m chi-square 1t multiplied by, it can be written as m chi-square 2t multiplied by and so on multiplied by m chi-square kt. This is what? From the reproductive property of moment generating function. Now what are the moment generating functions of chi-square 1, chi-square 2, chi-square k? Now I write here the moment generating functions of chi-square 1, chi-square 2, chi-square k. The moment generating functions of chi-square 1, which is, since chi-square 1 follows with n1 degrees of freedom, hence moment generating function is 1 minus 2t whole power minus n1 by 2. Similarly, m chi-square 2, which is, since chi-square 2 follows a chi-square distribution with n2 degrees of freedom, hence it is the moment generating function 1 minus 2t whole power minus n2 by 2 and so on. The moment generating function of chi-square k, it is nothing but 1 minus 2t whole power minus nk divided by 2. These are the moment generating functions of chi-square 1, chi-square 2, chi-square k. So therefore, it is equivalent to be, I write here, it is equivalent to be, it is 1 minus 2t the whole power minus n1 by 2 and 1 minus 2t, this is second one, m chi-square 2t. It is nothing but 1 minus 2t whole power minus n2 by 2 and so on multiplied by 1 minus 2t the whole power minus nk divided by 2. You understand this? That is what from the moment generating function of chi-square with respect to degrees of freedom n1, n2 and so on nk. Now it is equivalent to b. It is equivalent to b. So 1 minus 2t the base for all. So therefore 1 minus 2t the whole power minus n1 by 2 plus minus n2 by 2, that is minus n2 by 2 and so on minus nk divided by 2 in the power. Therefore, this is equivalent to be, I write here, this is equivalent to be 1 minus 2t the whole power minus of n1, I am taking common as minus of n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nk divided by 2. So this is what you see. You observe this. This is nothing but moment generating function of chi square 1 plus chi square 2 plus and so on plus chi square k. So therefore, it is also, what is the moment generating function of chi square? 1 minus 2t whole power minus n by 2. This is looking to be in the same particular form. What is the degrees of freedom here? Minus n1 plus n2 plus n so on plus nk. That therefore, by uniqueness theorem of moment generating function, that distribution of chi square 1 plus chi square 2 plus and so on plus chi square k is also follows a chi square distribution with the degrees of freedom or the parameter degrees of freedom n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nk. So that is therefore chi square distribution satisfies the reproductive property. From this what we can state is, we can state therefore by uniqueness theorem chi square 1 plus chi square 2 plus and so on plus chi square k follows a chi square distribution with n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nk degrees of freedom. Since the moment generating function of chi square is 1 minus 2t whole power minus n divided by 2. N is now n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nk. So therefore, if you add two independent, what is the meaning? I explain at the end. What is the meaning of this reproductive property of chi square? If you consider two independent chi square variables x and y, if you add these two variables x plus y, that is also chi square distribution. That also the variant x plus y also follows again chi square distribution with respect to some of the degrees of freedom. For example, x follows I tell you one particular thing. X follows a chi square distribution with 2 degrees of freedom, and y follows a chi square distribution with 5 degrees of freedom. Then what is the distribution of x plus y means we can easily specify chi square with 2 plus 5. It is nothing but that is chi square 7 degrees of freedom. That is what we can state from this reproductive property of chi square distribution. You understand? This is the reproductive property or additive property of chi square distribution.